Hey, beautiful. One of the most requested looks that I get as a makeup artist while I'm giving lessons is how to do a smoky eye. Well, what I have for you today is the 3-minute smoky eye that looks like you, not like a raccoon. So if you've ever attempted to do a smoky eye and ended up looking like a raccoon, then you're going to want to watch this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel below and click the bell so you'll be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I do new videos. So this is what we're going to do today. 3 minutes to a very neutral but gorgeous smoky eye. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some primer on the eyelid. And you're going to want to prime that so that everything is smoothed and you're going to get longer wear for it. Then you're going to need a creamed eyeliner. Now you can use any color combinations that you want. I'm doing brown today, but you can do purples, you can do blacks, you can do silvers. So I'm just going right across the eyelid there with this brown color and making pretty thick line. Then using your ring finger, you're going to smudge that. Okay, start to make it look smoky. The whole idea of a smoky eye is that you can't see where the shadows and the colors start and where they finish. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and some brown eyeshadow. And I'm just going to start with little circles on the lid, on the moving part of the eye, and slowly take it up higher. And this is creating like a very smoke effect. Open up my eye, just kind of do this with my eye open. And you can see I'm just slowly doing little circles. That's the technique that I want you to use if you've got a lot of crepiness on your eyelids. And I don't want to go up too high if I have too much product, because you do, like I said, you want to smoke it out. You don't want to see where one color starts and the other one stops. So just kind of going back and forth and pushing all of that eyeliner up and that shadow. There you go. Put on a ton of mascara and you've got a 3-minute smoky eye. I hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for more quick, easy tutorials that are focused on you, the mature woman. All right, I'll talk to you next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.